Now we're gonna try to pop a plastic bag with baking soda, vinegar, and water. We're gonna add vinegar to a bag of water. All right, let's pour this. Let's make this work.
I am going to put this paper towel full of baking soda into the plastic bag.
Okay.
I think it might pop.
Wow, it's opening.
It's going out.
Is it supposed to go out?
Yep, I think.
Is it, Mom?
Why? Why?
The
The bag
got really big, but it didn't pop because it had a little hole that was letting a little bit of air come out.
Come out.
The vinegar and the baking soda mix up together to make carbon dioxide.
And the carbon dioxide is what made the plastic bag get bigger.
Oh, that was a close one.
It almost squirted on my hand. Or Dan.
It has a hole in it?
Where? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like snow with bubbles in it.
It looks like snow turning into water, but bubbling up because some chemical touched it. Oh, my hip. Bubbly bubble bubble.
Do you love me? Are you with me? 'Cause you never
Okay, so what's the next step?